everybody, this is Teresa from Marie's Life. Yes, in another weekend, we it's time to do a reset. So I don't know if you kept up with my post this week, but I was focusing on preparing kids with healthy minds for when they go back to school. Now, when we talked before, the biggest thing is to build your child's confidence. Make sure that they're having healthy routines, positive thinkings, making financial decisions that'll support you and your family. Now, this week we did focus on mint. This is something children love, and it's easy to get them to drink because it tastes so good. So you can just try out with just what I started with is just mint, lemon, and honey, and see if you can just take a quiet moments or let them have some quiet moments with you and drink it with you. Now I started a money challenge. I did started working on one of my tasks. I have four of them, financial tasks that I wanted to work with, and I finished two. So it's supposed to be one in 90 days, but you can easily, finish one before time. Like I said, I finished two, and I'm hoping to get two more done this weekend, next week. So, if you have some children or grandchildren, help get them prepared, for school. Ask them what they're excited about. Ask them what they're nervous about. But remember to remind them that, they're loved, they're going to do great, and don't worry about us. Now, Joshua 1:9 reminds us to be strong, courageous. Do not be afraid or discouraged, for the Lord will be with you wherever you go. So you also got to encourage that to your children also. Now, another thing that I started, because I'm spending a lot of money eating out and I'm not eating healthy. Now, I lost 40 pounds with GLP-1, and it doesn't make sense to gain the weight, lose it, gain it, weight, lose it. But when I was on GLP-1, I do remember my nutritionist keeping me at 1,600 calories per day. Now with that, you're supposed to lose 2 to 3 pounds, which I did every week. So what I'm starting now is I'm just prepping for my meat for the week. So I bought some turkey, I bought some chicken, something I shouldn't have bought, I did, ground beef. I also, bought salmon and fish. Now, these meats, what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook them, bake them. With a salmon and a fish, I don't need to do that. But I'm going to bake them and put them in trays that you can put in the refrigerator or the freezer. Now remember, after 3 days, some people say 4 and some people say more. But I say after 3 days, really they're not any good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 3 days worth of meat in the refrigerator, and then I'll put the rest in the freezer, but it'll already be cooked. So all I have to do is take it out and make my meal. And I'm getting excited about this because I know I can try different things. I get tired of eating the same thing. So this will give me time to try different recipes. Now I'm just going to do the meats because I don't know if all of you know or not. I'm a gardener. And being a gardener, if you have a big harvest, what I do have, and I haven't been preserving it, I've been losing food. So now, since I got the meat taken care of, I can just focus on how to keep veggies, fresh and fruit for the future. Now, for breakfast, it's going to be easy because I'm going to do a lot of smoothies. I have to work a lot of bananas in because my potassium run low. So I'm going to be looking for a lot of banana morning meals. But tell me what you think about my content. I really need your input. Am I helping? Is this not helping? Leave a comment below. If you like it, please like, and you want to see more, please subscribe. But I'm just doing simple reminders, simple things to help you put your self-care first. Okay? So until next time, I want to thank you again. And until next time, remember, self-care isn't selfish. It is necessary. Thank you.